In my video guide, I will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called ZeRy. This video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without complications. So, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily without any troubles or complications. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ZeRy ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then people suddenly realize that they cannot open their data anymore. The ransomware would encrypt the files and damage them essentially. So it's just impossible to open the data anymore. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts the files, and actually the files are no longer accessible. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the screen mentioning that the files have been encrypted. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this pop-up message. Now, the ransomware also drops another ransom note in the form of a text file, which basically mentions the same thing, that users need to pay the ransom. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file recovery. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste the money. I recommend that you immediately get rid of this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com through Internet Explorer browser. Download the program, install the application, then after it gets successfully installed, start Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program will be initially in the trial mode. So in the trial mode, only the quick scan of the program is available. So you need to click on this Start Scan button. In Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins researching and investigating the system. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats that were found. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to remove this ransomware effectively and to protect all your data from further ransomware attacks. Also, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only removes the ransomware and protects your files from being damaged in the future.